Hi everyone, Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me for this full body flow. You don't need anything for this, just yourself and your mat, and whenever you are ready, let's begin. Welcome to today's practice. Let's begin by meeting in a comfortable cross-legs position on your mat, relaxing the shoulders and closing the eyes. Just taking a few deep breaths here, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Gently blinking the eyes open whenever you're ready, and as you inhale, reach the hands up, palms together, and exhale your hands down through center. Again, we take a deep breath in, reach up, and exhale the hands down through center. Third and final time, inhale as we reach all the way up to the sky, draw the palms together, and exhale, drop the hands down, resting them on your knees, and just taking a few big rolls through the shoulders, bringing as much movement into the shoulders and the upper back as you can, releasing any stuck tension or tightness. And then eventually coming back to stillness. Go ahead and drop the right ear towards the right shoulder. And if it feels good, you can place the right hand on the side of the head just to gently move the head over. Opening up through the left hand side of your neck. Let the head hang heavy. Take a deep breath. And then come back to center and switch sides. Take the left ear towards the left shoulder. Hand comes up and over, just gently manipulating that head ever so slightly over to the side, opening up through the right hand side of your neck. Take another deep breath here, and then release that hand back to the knees and just take a few little rolls through the neck. You can take some full neck circles with the head all the way back, or just keep little half neck circles going side to side. Just let the head hang super heavy here, shoulders relaxed. And then come back to stillness and inhale both hands up to the sky. Exhale to drop the right hand and reach the left arm over for this nice big side bend. Keep the chest open, fingertips reaching away. And then come back through center and take it to the other side, dropping the left hand, reaching the right arm up and over to the side. Come back through center and we'll find a twist by bringing the left hand onto the right knee, sitting up tall through the spine and turning the chest. Take a full deep breath here. And then release back through center, go straight to the other side. Spine is long, the sit bones are grounded. And then come back through center and meet me by coming onto the hands and knees in your tabletop. We'll flow through a few cat-cows here, inhaling to point the tailbone up and look forwards, exhaling as we round out the spine. Breathing fully and deeply here, just connecting this movement to your breath, inhaling forwards, exhaling under. Coming back into center and taking that right leg out and away, pressing the heel towards the back of the mat, engaging the core and lifting the leg up. Lift up the left arm and reach forwards. Find your balance. If it feels good, you can reach the hand back, maybe take hold of the right ankle. Keep drawing that right knee up, left shoulder open. Come back through center, drop the hand in the knee, go straight to the other side, left leg away. If it feels good, we might lift it up and find a balance. Maybe the right fingertips come forwards. And if it feels good, we can send that arm back. See if we can take hold of that left ankle. Draw the left knee up. Chest is open. And then release back through center. Drop the hand in the knee. Let's take the toes together, the knees wide, and start to make some full body circles here. Just dropping the hips all the way back towards the heels, and then sending the weight forwards over the wrists. Switching directions if that feels good, making these movements as big as possible. And then the next time that we have the bum back towards the heels, we can stop, reach the fingers away, find a child's pose. Maybe bending at the elbows here, bringing the hands in prayer over the head. Take a big breath in and a full breath out. And then release and meet me back in your tabletop. Tuck the toes under and lift the hips to a downward facing dog. Let's pedal out the feet here, bending each knee at a time. And then eventually come back to stillness, pressing the heels towards the mat. Take a big deep breath in and a full exhale out. Keep those hips reaching up high. Send your gaze forwards, roll forwards into your high plank. Exhale to slowly lower down, and inhale to find your cobra or upward facing dog. Chest is forwards. As you exhale, plant the knees, sit it back into a child's pose. Forehead to the mat. And then round it back into your tabletop, lifting the right leg away and stepping it to the outside of your right hand, finding this lizard posture. And you can take a few little rocks from side to side with the hips just to help you find this shape. And then eventually come back to stillness. And maybe work on opening out the right hip, maybe finding a gentle little press of the knee. Option to stay here or maybe drop down to the elbows. Take a few deep breaths here, breathing directly into your right hip. Feeling this opening sensation through the legs. And then coming back onto the hands, scooching that right foot in towards the center. Tuck the back toes under and lift into your high lunge. Open up the chest, maybe reach the fingertips up to the sky, standing up tall. Take a big breath in here, and as we exhale, open to your warrior two. Spin the back toes to the side of your mat, fingertips are reaching away. Inhale, hands together, straighten the front knee, and exhale, lower the hands to shoulder height. Finding your triangle here by dropping the front hand down towards the mat, lifting the back hand up. Keeping the chest open. And then return back to your warrior two, bending through that front knee. As we inhale, we reach the hands up, take both toes out on an angle into your star pose. Exhale to find your goddess. Inhale up tall. Exhale, bend the knees and the elbows. Inhale up. Exhale to goddess and hold it here for a big breath in and a full breath out. And then come on up to standing. And exhale to drop into a wide leg forward fold. Letting the weight of your head hang heavy, the neck is long. And then returning back up and sending your weight towards your left foot. Taking your high lunge on the other side, the chest is open. Maybe we inhale to reach the hands up and stand up tall. Keep that nice bend through the left knee. Take a big breath in here. And as we exhale, open to our warrior two. Left fingertips forwards, right fingertips back. On your next inhale, go ahead and reach the hands up, straighten the front knee. And then as we exhale, lower the arms, finding our triangle by dropping the left arm towards the mat and reaching the right arm up. Keep your chest open. And then come all the way back, passing through your warrior two. And then spin the right arm all the way up, big high lunge. Exhale, drop the hands towards the front foot, drop the right knee, and find your lizard on the other side. So taking the left foot to the outside of the left hand, maybe taking a few of those little sways from side to side. And then maybe rolling onto the outer edge of the left foot, letting that knee drop open to the side. Option to stay here or maybe drop down to the elbows. Breathe deeply into your left hip joint. Welcome in that stretch. And then returning back to the hands, tucking the back toes under, lifting the back knee, and stepping back to your plank. Chaturanga here. Slowly lower. Inhale to cobra or upward facing dog, and exhale, drop the knees, come back to your child's pose, forehead to the earth. Take a deep energizing breath in here, thanking yourself for your practice. And then exhale, coming up into seated, reaching the hands up to the sky, and exhaling your hands to your heart space. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you liked this video. Please like, follow, and have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.